Saan po yung camera? Ayan. To our bashers. Hindi. Thank you. And totoo, kasi, pero totoo, hindi po siya madali to see all the bashing and the hating, all the negativity. Hindi siya madali. Masakit siya. Pero, you know what? Thank you kasi that's what motivates us to keep pushing, to be stronger, and to really give out our all. And at least that's something na we can turn to something great. And minsan man na nakaka-test talaga siya, super, and masakit siya, pero it also allows us to look at all the brighter things in life and the many things that we could be grateful for. And thank you kasi ayun, sa mga bashers, ang sakit niyo magsalita, pero thank you pa rin, pero kayo kasi baka mabash ako nito sa Twitter. Hindi, ayun, kasi because of it, parang mas lalo ako tuloy na nagkaka-purpose kung bakit it's always nice to be loving, kasi ang daming hate, ang daming negativity. So parang you get to see all of it and it makes you have that purpose to keep doing good because people need that love. People need that kindness. And us being here, being walo, being complete as 8, it shows how strong we are together. Kasi ang daming yung pinagdaanan na hindi namin sinasabi, hindi namin pinapakita. Maybe siguro minsan umaapaw na at nakikita, pero mas marami pang hindi namin pinapakita na mas masakit pa. But we are strong. And ang strong namin kasi nag-renew pa kami. We're strong. We're strong because we know we can do it. And mas strengthen pa namin ang bond namin sa isa't isa, yung skills namin, and just in general with how we're gonna be in the future. So I also wanna thank our future selves kasi there's gonna be more pa in the future. It's gonna be exciting. There's gonna be a lot of ups and downs, but at least we are all complete and it's either walo or wala. Yan po.
Maganda.